The control panel can be armed and disarmed using either a code or a proximity tag. To arm the control panel, enter your user code or present your prox tag to the prox symbol on the keypad. The keypad will display "Do you want to arm system?" Press yes. The arming process will start. At default, the control panel will arm once an entry-exit zone is activated and then secured. This is normally a door contact on the exit route. To disarm the control panel, enter your user code followed by the yes key. If the entry timer has been started, entering your user code will disarm the panel.